apart of my non-customer, I am helping lot of to others. So many clients I got the given the settlement also when any inventory happen and any difficulties there. So many clients, and those are known to come me, definitely they will get guidelines from my side. And my client are from individual, company, corporate, several types, because client base is very good. In this situation also we are sitting in home, but do you believe or not, from since morning 7 o'clock till 10 o'clock I am busy, because that much work I have. And I am now people are I doesn't feel anything out and in, okay, because of media. Today I am very much to give the service from home also. But one thing will happen when writing the things or data taking, that will be personally, that will not happen, because somewhere we have to sit and do it. But rest of them I am doing that from home. And thanks to Zoom education, and a lot of things I am doing through Zoom. And now myself also upgrading and helping to others also to get it, and why not use the technology. So these are the things what I do. My company, that if you have your card, you can see that secure your value. In front page there is a bottom that tag, my company tag is a secure your value. So I want to just little explain about that. Many people don't know his value. Then what he will secure his value? Because that value, what is thinking, human being, there is no value. Okay, there is no value in the term of emotional, but economic value is there. Yesterday I have one chatting with the insurance guy. He is also 15-16 years experience in this insurance field. When I asked them what is your value, he said, my value nobody can count. I said fine. Then I told them, if it is your value is not there, then Adam Smith, father of economics, he wrote the book in 1856 and he explained the human life value. Then what is this? Then he told me, no, I don't know, please explain me. I said, your definitely is no value when you term of emotional, but when you talk about the economic, there is your value. And he come to the conclusion, yes, I have value. So such kind of knowledge. And he also appreciate me कि past 17 years nobody taught me, even I'm an insurance guy, I also don't know, and you have explained me today very well. I said fine, thank you, it is useful to you, I'm grateful to listen me. So this kind of things I'll do. Now I'll give you some example, Sesgiri. See what different I am giving to the service or knowledge to the client. I'll give one example like that. So many examples are there. See, there is two things. Suppose you going to do shopping and you have money. There is a two condition. You have money in your wallet, but you don't know how much is there. And second condition, you have your money wallet, but you will know how much amount is there with denomination. Now you tell me which way you are more convenient, confidence to go for shopping. Second one. And this is the answer I am getting from the audience, and this is the problem most of people in India. And this is the real solution I am giving to. You can see me my status, WhatsApp status. Every day I am putting one or other such kind of information, and people are reaching to me also. He's telling, sir, what is this? Yesterday I posted, now it is more than 600 people reach already. Secure your value. This is the right time, please secure your value. For more details, call me this. So far I got more than 25 calls. And he's asking, what is the secure the value? What is my value? And many people have 2 3 insurance policy, but they don't know what is the current. I'll give you one more example. Everybody in insurance, they know only, major people don't know only one thing. What they know, how much their premium pay. But apart of premium paying, there is a 4 valuable questions I am asking to the client. You paying one premium, this is one you know. Tell me how many years you will pay the premium. Most of people, sir, I don't know, let me check. After checking also, they are not able to find out because they have not proper told. This is second question. Third question, when you will stop your premium payment, tell me how much you will get returned, or you will get returned or not. Again, no question, no answer for this question. Third question, I ask, tell me when you will stop your premium payment or you will get maturity, do you have any coverage will be continue? Life coverage will be continue or stop? No answer. And last question, if it is continue, how many years your life value will be continue? This, most of the people, these 4 questions don't know. And this is what I educate to them and evaluate them. If any necessary, I'll suggest them. So this is my core business. In this field it is happening and wonderful is going on, Seshnath. I am happy with my profession and I am really great to God's, at least I can financially support I'll give to our client, and lot of people are very happy with me to associate. So thank you for listening me. Exact 7 minutes I complete my